how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So first thing, go to Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the home page, and here you will find the ready templates. Now if you want, for example, food template, all what you have to do is search for food here in the top, and you will find food templates. As you can see, here is the food, and food. If you want, for example, business, search for business templates, and here you go, and here is the business templates. Choose the one that you want, for example this one, and click create. Now after you click create, you will be able to change anything on this template, and as you can see, these are the pages of the template. Any page here can be edited and changed easily. All what you have to do to edit is click on the text and write what you want, like this. It's very easy. As I said, everything can be changed, also the photos right here. And yeah, and after you finish editing all those pages, click here and click save. As you can see, it's the save option. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.